Welcome to Laguna Beach. We're giving you 5 tips to creating the ultimate demo reel. We're gonna scout out 3 locations for our town reel, and then we're gonna give you those 5 tips in each one. Let's go explore a little bit. Let's talk a little bit about why a town reel is the best use of your time. First, it is a portfolio piece and it gives you the exposure that you need. And another thing is too, it helps you build your online presence, which is extremely important. When you have a town reel of an area that is a high traffic area, it allows you to rank higher organically in search. I don't know if you've ever seen a video of your city online. It's the most relatable and shareable thing ever. So that's the exposure that you need to become the go-to drone guy or drone girl in your area. Dog is so cute. What's her name?
Luna Bell.
Hi, Luna.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, she's just looking at it.
Have a good day.
You too.
See ya. Tip number 1 is to know your audience. With a shot like this, there's so many different audiences that would be applicable to this. Real estate agents, real estate development companies, construction companies, colleges, universities, Airbnb, rentals. There's so many houses along the coastline here that would use that kind of beach footage for their Airbnb rental. Even if it's not the clip, having your contact information at the bottom of your portfolio video or at the bottom of your demo reel is so important because they can reach out to you. They might have seen you fly next to something really cool, a really good selling point of the house, and they might want photos from that shoot. So always take some photos too. We're headed to the next location to shoot location number 2. You guys want a drone shot? Sure. There, I'll take it off and then I'll get a shot of you guys.
All things Laguna Beach, Instagram.
Congrats.
Thank you.
We were flying the drone, she got asked to prom, and then we were like, let's go take a picture of you guys, feature it on the account, they're gonna post it for us. They got 25,000 followers, great exposure. Tip number 2 on our list, choose your locations wisely and be prepared when you go out shooting. Know the location, know what shots you're gonna get, know what movements you're gonna use, and you know your area best. You can use Google Earth if you know the general area and you wanna take a look at the specific location before you go out shooting, or second, use Instagram hashtags. You're basically going and seeing what's trending in that area. So we can type in Laguna Beach or Newport Beach and it'll show you the top spots that people take pictures at. And then you can go and you can find out, click that location tag and see where those specific areas are. Head down there and you know they're gonna be good. I think that's the shot. I'm gonna bring it back now. Speaking of keeping your audience engaged, your final video should be 90 seconds or less. You should use a strong hook in your best clips right after and use royalty-free music. We use Artlist and Epidemic Sound, and be unique. This is your version of your town. You're showing the people your new perspective on an area that they're familiar with. That is tip number 3. You flying the drone?
Yep.
Which one do you have?
MAVIC 3.
That's awesome. What's your name?
Chip.
I'm Brandon. Nice to meet you.
Hey Brandon, what's your YouTube channel?
Hunter.
It's
Nice
called
to meet you.
Altitude University. We do R107 training, aerial photo and video training too.
Oh, very
so.
cool.
Yeah, nice.
With waves crashing, the sun's in the right position, so we're doing pretty well there.
That was really cool. We got James over there. We just met him. He's flying his MAVIC 3 down the coastline. We just said what's up to him. You got to network with people. You got to see what they're shooting. It's got an awesome card here. Company is called Inspired Aerial Productions. Shout out to you, James. That was awesome. Great meeting you. Tip number 4 to you, which is including your contact information in your demo reel, your name, your email address, a way for them to get in contact with you, your Part 107 license. If you're certified, that's super important. I include my equipment in there too. And the last thing I like to include is experience. That could be flying experience or that could be editing experience too. Include that in the description. That's tip number 4, and hopefully that one makes a little bit of sense. And the last tip on our list is know the rules and invest in your education. It's important to know where you can and can't fly. At the most basic level, you want to have your drone registered, you want to have your Part 107 license, and you want to know where you can and can't fly. That means checking aloft, that means checking air map and making sure that it's Class G uncontrolled airspace. That's always the best, but also understanding what it takes to get approval if you do need to fly in controlled airspace. I hope you enjoyed those 5 tips on how to improve your demo reel. That's it for the day. I hope you enjoyed this video as well. Make sure to click the subscribe button and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about unlocking your drone's full potential and becoming a confident drone pilot, then be sure to check out our course 14-Day Drone Pilot Pro. It's a speed learning program for beginners teaching aerial photography and video editing, and our students are absolutely loving it. I'll link it in the description below. Make sure to click that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.